Very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. I am Ritesh Mishra, Senior JEE Advanced Mathematics Faculty. Today, we will solve question related to function in which the application of period of a function will be there and lot more things we will learn in this question. So please stay connected where most of the toppers trapped sometime. So we will have to be very careful in solving these types of questions. So have a look of the question. Yes. See, this is the question in front of you. Friends, in this question, function f of 2 minus x is equal to this and f of 4 minus x equal to f of 4 plus x. If this type of function, if you see anywhere, you need to understand कि this type of function will be always periodic. अब इसका पीरियड होगा क्या, कैसे निकालते हैं, इसको ज़रा देखते हैं, ध्यान से देखिए आप. f of 2 minus x is equal to f of 2 plus x and f of 4 minus x is equal to f of 4 plus x. Now we can write f of 4 minus x, we can write f of 2 plus 2 minus x, and this we can write f of 2 minus 2 minus x, and this is nothing but f of x. Therefore, f of 4 minus x, we have obtained f of x, but f of 4 minus x is equal to f of 4 plus x. This is given. अब यहाँ से हमें पता चल रहा है कि f of 4 plus x is equal to fx for all x belongs to R. This implies f is periodic with period what is 4. ये प्रूव हो गया कि ये फंक्शन जो गिवन है वो एक पीरियोडिक फंक्शन है और इसका पीरियड 4 है. फिर हमारे सामने एक डेफिनिट इंटीग्रल है, उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 0 to 50 fx dx. नाउ इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 50 0 to 50 fx dx. This we can write 0 to 2 fx dx plus 2 to 50 fx dx. अब यहाँ हम क्या करने वाले हैं, इसका तो वैल्यू 55 गिवन है और इसको हम लोग लिखते हैं 2 to 4 fx dx plus 4 to 50. 4 to 50 fx dx. देखता हूँ क्या होता है. Better will be this. Better will be we need to write this. If we will write this as 0 to 48 fx dx plus 48 to 50 fx dx. Now we will learn one concept, that is the definite integral property. Property says that integration 0 to nt fx dx, where t is the period of the function, n is a integer. So this is n 0 to t fx dx. N is integer and t is its period. Another concept is integration a to a plus nt fx dx. This is equal to n 0 to t fx dx. One more concept is integration a to integration nt to a plus nt fx dx. This is equal to 0 to a fx dx. We will use these properties in this equation number 1. Now see here, from 1 से हमें क्या मिल रहा है? 1 से मिल रहा है इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 50 fx dx इज इक्वल टू 12 इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 4 fx dx प्लस 48 है। 48 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 48 प्लस 2 और fx dx। अब ये आ जाएगा हमारा 12 इंटू 0 to 4, इसको बाद में ऑब्टेन करेंगे, एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट 0 to 2 fx dx। अब यहाँ से हम लोग को क्या पता चल रहा है? तो देखिए, इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 50 fx dx इज इक्वल टू 12 0 to 4 fx dx plus 5, आई थिंक, यस 5। अब हम लोग को निकालना है 0 to 4 fx dx का वैल्यू। 0 to 4 fx dx का वैल्यू, इसको अब हम लोग कैसे निकालते हैं? देखो, नाउ 0 to 4 fx dx can be written as 0 to 2 fx dx plus 2 to 4 fx dx. Now this can be written as 5 plus, and what this can be? 2 to 4 fx dx. 2 to 4 fx dx को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 2 fx, यहाँ हम लोग 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है तो यहाँ 2 हमें ऐड करना होगा। देयर इज वन अनदर प्रॉपर्टी, इंटीग्रेशन a to b fx dx can be written as a minus c b minus c and c plus x dx. Both are same, so that same property here I have applied. अब हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 4 fx dx is equal to 5 plus integration 0 to 2 f of 2 minus x dx. This we can write 5 plus 0 to 2. अब किंग्स रूल लाऊंगा, 2 minus x dx। कौन सा रूल लगाया? किंग्स रूल। किंग्स रूल क्या कहता है? 0 to a fx dx इज इक्वल टू 0 to a f of a minus x dx। तो यहाँ से हमें क्या मिला? 0 to 4 fx dx इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 0 to 2 fx dx, दैट इज 5 plus 5 इज इक्वल टू 10। अब इस वैल्यू को हम लोग इस इक्वेशन में पुट कर देंगे। इक्वेशन नंबर ए मान लिया, नहीं ए नहीं, ए इसको नहीं मानो, इसको मानते हैं ए, दिस इज ए। नाउ put this value in equation a, comma, we get, so what is this coming now? This is integration 0 to 50 fx dx is equal to 5 plus 12 into 5, 12 into 5, 2 to 5, 2 to 5 is 10 coming, 10, this is 125. So first option is correct. Okay, in the given question first option is correct, 125 is correct. Next we will solve minus 4 to 46. For option B, integration minus 4 to 46, this we can write, what we have to do, add here, so add will be 0 and here will be 50, and this is, when you add, then here we have to subtract, understood? We are added, so here 4 minus x dx, this is 0 to 50 and f 4 plus x as per given information, but this is a periodic function, so 0 to 50 fx dx, और ये अभी हमने प्रूफ ही किया है, so proved. B is also correct option, B is also correct option, B is also, let's do 2 to 50 fx dx, 2 to 50 fx dx, 2 to 50 fx dx, that was na 2 to 52 fx dx. Now this we can write 0 to subtracting 2, so here will be added, yeah. Or 2 to 4, that will be better, I think. 2 to 4 plus 4 to 52. This I have just now obtained. This is 10 coming. 2 to 4 fx dx. Here we can write 4 plus 48 plus 4. So now this is 10 plus 'a to a plus nt, so 0 to 48 fx dx, 10 plus 12 into 0 to 4 fx dx. 0 to 4 fx dx we have just obtained somewhere. 0 to 4 fx dx is what is this coming? 10 it is. 0 to 4 is 10 coming. What is this? 2 to 4 is 5. 2 to 4 is 5. 2 to 4 is 5. 5 plus 12 into 10, 125. So third option is also correct. Now for fourth option, 1 to 51. Integration 1 to 51 fx dx. This is 1 to 51. 1 to 3 fx dx plus 3 to 51 fx dx. 1 to 3, and this we can write 3 to 3 plus 48 fx dx. 1 to 3 fx dx plus 0 to 48. We have used the previous properties. This is 1 to 3 fx dx plus 12 into 0 to 4 fx dx, and 0 to 4 is 10 coming. 1 to 3 fx dx plus 12 into 10. So it is 120 plus 1 to 3 fx dx. This cannot be equal to 125, as 0 to 2 fx dx is not equal to 1 to 3 fx dx. Okay, so option C is wrong. Correct options are A, B, D. इसका आंसर C is incorrect. C गलत. So A, B, C सही. A, B, D correct answer. Okay, hope all of you understood this. Go through repeatedly and you can be able to understand.